It's my new trick I found out how to do. It's a weird noise. That's the noise. First, all you have to do is this. Then after you're done with that, do this. It's called mini firecracking mouth kid. Now, let's try it again. Now let's do it super fast. Again, let's do slow motion. Fast. That's it. Subscribe, give us a like, comment below, and rate and favorite this video. Bye bye.